Alright, lad.
Not too bad. What do you think?
I like you whip, man. You know whip.
Come on, come on.
I can't even speak. Fucking up.
Is that alright? I've got the number plate for you.
Huh?
I've got the number plate.
Cheers, bro. Cheers, bro. Alright, guys, we got a GLA today. It's Labib's new car. He's still not done anything to the Astra. I don't know why he bought a new one. But it is Labib in it. He also has the Tesla as well. I don't know what he's doing with that as well. This guy's crazy, but you know. So we're going to be doing some revving for you today, so you know what the GLA 180 sounds like. Also check out the sponsor in this video. They do like creeds and stuff, so go check them out. And go zoom in for you. Vantage perfumes. Go check them out, guys. Alright, guys. Let me start the car up. I'm going to go to the back of the car so you can hear the exhaust. Alright. It's going to rev as well for you. Whoa, listen to the rumble, guys. Oh, that is hot. Got your real exhaust in there. Another one here as well. So this is a GLA 180.
For you.
So what do you think of your new car?
Decent, isn't it?
Are you sure? You sure you don't want to give it back this time? Okay, okay. He likes the car, he likes the car. Huh?
I think how much you're going to keep this one.
We'll see about that. He says he's going to keep it, but we don't know about this guy. The only bad thing we found about the car is it has very little headroom.
Yeah.
As you can see, the roofline is very small. But yeah, we've got to get to good miles. It's only 11,000 miles.
Also, another bad thing for a driver myself, if I put this down, I literally can't see the road.
Yeah, you can't see the road.
I'll have to.
That's another bad thing.
Do that.
So yeah, if you want to see more videos on the GLA, let Labib know and we'll sort something out, guys. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye. Oh shit, he didn't do that before for the video. What the hell?